Fans kumele siyiquestione i-management ye-Orlando Pirates. I think it's time right now sibuze imibuzo uthi kahle kahle kwenzakalani behind the scenes. We need to know kwenzakalani ngoMonapole Saling. We need to know uthi kwenzakalani ngoTito Maswanganyi. Those are our star players. We cannot go to Champions League games without those players. Yabo, we need to question the management because they are not giving us clear explanations or to what's happening with the boys. Yabo, bayasitshela mekunabadlali abalimele. Yabo, they do give us ama-details so okay, kulimele abadlali abanje, kwalimala abadlali abanje, kwalimala yabo. But abakaze basicacisele ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakalani ngoSaling, kwenzakalani ngoTito Maswanganyi. Yabo, uSaling wadlala the last game that we played against the Al Ahly FC, sidlala eOrlando Stadium, and uSaling wadlala kamnandi. But the reason ukuthi angahambi ayele Ivory Coast, we didn't get a reason behind that. Yabo, I'm not saying labo badlali labo ibona badlali ababalekile kunalabo abadlalayo kuOrlando Pirates. No. As fans, we need to know. We support these players. We want these players to succeed. We want the team to succeed. Yabo, we see as fans ukuthi kahle kahle abadlali mabengekho i-team ayidlali kahle. We need those players to come in and play. Yabo. So, lawo ma questions la umele ngabaphenduleka. Yabo. I don't understand ngempela. Yabo, because back in the days there were rumors circulating ukuthi kangenzeka ukuthi Orlando Pirates kunomuntu oyicontrolayo. Coach lapha kuOrlando Pirates abayicontrol. Yabo, ama lineups akhishwa umuntu. Yabo, kunesandla nje semfene esikhona lapha esisetha ama lineups eOrlando Pirates. Mina ngikhumbula kahle kwakulo baba lo. Abantu abaningi babethu uBraston. If nikhumbula kahle kwakuthiwa uBraston wayesethi scheme. Coach abaningi babengasisethi scheme. uBraston mebona ukuthi izinto ziyabheda. Wehamba aye lapha eOrlando tshela ucoach ukuthi coach mina ngamqalisi lo uqalise lo. Yabo. May his soul rest in peace. Babesho njalo abantu. We cannot sit down and watch indlela akudlalwa ngakhona. Yabo, you cannot tell me ukuthi uLufana lo uMfukeng uyakwazi ukudlala ezo number 10. uMfukeng akakwazi ukudlala ezo number 10 asibe nje nebevare bafethu uMfukeng akakwazi ukudlala ezo number 10. And the more simdlalisa number 10 leyo nto le izomphushela ekutheni angabi lo mdlali lo awuyena right now because uMfukeng ube uMfukeng because ukwazi ukudlala as a winger. Forcing uMfukeng adlale ezo number 10 kuzomenza aboze. Like angazi kwenze njani. Why i-team i-management ithanda ukufaka uMfukeng as number 10? Leyo nto ayikho right. Yabo. I think ngoJanuary kumele siye kothenga abadlali, yabo, abazofika laphana bavale ikhala zabadlali laba bangekho because we see right now ukuthi kwenzakalani. Kumele basinikeze incazelo i-management kumele iphendule. Because you cannot tell me ukuthi uJose Rivero uhlalise uSaling. You cannot tell me ukuthi uJose Rivero uhlalise uTito Maswanganyi. uJose Rivero knows how much important uSaling is kulesa scheme seOrlando Pirates. uSaling useyisize kakhulu eOrlando Pirates. Why uSaling esala mesudlela ku-Champions League? Yabo, I feel like incazelo lezi kumele ngabe sanikezwa zona. Yabo, angazi bafethu ngangitshela lapha kuma-comments kahle kahle nina nizizwa kanjani ngalento le. Mina ngokwami angikho happy. I am not happy ngale decision eyenziwe. Yabo, angikho nje ngempela happy bafethu. Ngangitshela kuma-comments yabo, ungakhohlwa usubscribe lapha.